Poor little Logan has the hiccup. Buddy, are you okay? Logan. Oops. Too close. Logan. Logan. Hey, Mr. Hiccup Man. Logan is 5 days old. Logan? Hey, look over this way. Hi, buddy. Hi. Say hello. Poor little guy.